Lezi zakhamuzi ezingaphansi komasipala iTshwane zithi zibhekana nalenselele unyaka nonyaka. Ukungabikho kwagesi kugugisa amaphakethe azo, njengoba seziphoqeleka ukuthi okunye ukudla zikulahle ngoba sekonakele.
Why every now and then same thing is happening? Because our food now, they are getting damaged in our fridges. So we lose everything that we bought for the Christmas. So it's very bad for us.
Already some of the savings I had for January, going back to work and the kids and everything is already been used. So it's back to square one again. It's affecting us very much. So another thing is that if they could just make it happen that they can try to maybe once a month or a couple of times check on the power station, do proper maintenance.
At least bas update sazi ukuthi sibheke into sizohlala singanama light until when, because sihleli asazi sikadile akuna update akuna umuntu okhulumayo.
Abaholi bomphakathi bathi ukungabikho kwezisebenzi ezanele esiphehleni sikagesi sikule ndawo nakho kunomthelela kulenselele.
And when we engage with the guys that were working here, they just told us that it's because of they don't have people that are on standby. And I remember that municipality indeed they did reduce the workers that were working for them. They said that there must not be any overtimes, and as well as that there was no any standby.
Ukhulumela umasipala waseTshwane uthi sebeqalile ukulungisa iziphehli kwizona eziholele kulenselele.
We are trying to push hard to make sure that we restore power as soon as it's practically possible. We are aiming for the 31st Wednesday in the afternoon. That is the only realistic hope that we have.
Lo masipala ukuvumile ukuthi inqalasizinda yawo kagesi isindala.
Infrastructure is being serviced and is being maintained. However, some of the infrastructure is old and plans are afoot to improve some of the substations, especially in the east and in the south, as well as in the Soshanguve area. So, these things require lots of financial resources, but gradually we are doing all these improvements.
Lo masipala uthi ugesi uzobuyiswa kancane kancane ngokwezindawo.